Question number 18. So for question 18, we have two squares of side lengths A and B. Since A is smaller than B, we can assume that the smaller square will have the side length A. Okay, so the question asks for the area of the shaded triangle. Now, one way would be to find the area of the triangle, but that might be difficult. So my way of approaching this question is to find out the area of both squares and then to subtract these areas, these unshaded areas, in order to obtain the area of our shaded triangle. Now it's very simple to get the total area of the squares. It's simply a squared, area of the smaller square, plus b squared, area of the larger square. Now the challenge is to find out the area of the unshaded regions. So let's label them R1, R2 and R3. So for R1, our area is half. The area of a triangle, if you remember, is half base into height. So multiplied by the base would be A, multiplied by the height is also A. So that's A squared upon 2. So for region 2, our area would be R2 equals half multiplied by the base here would be B, and let's find out the height. So this height would be, if this is B and this is A, then actually this remaining length would be B minus A. So multiplied by B minus A. Let's simplify that, equals half multiplied by B squared minus AB. So now let's work out the area of region 3. That would be half multiplied by, now here we don't know the base. So let's see, this is A and this is B. So the base would be A plus B. Multiplied by, the height is simple, it's B. This makes it half multiplied by AB plus B squared. So now before we subtract the sum of these regions from the total area, let's just find the sum of the area of these regions. So that's A squared upon 2 plus B square minus AB divided by 2 again, plus B squared plus AB divided by 2. Now the denominators for all three fractions are the same, so we can simply add or subtract the numerators. So we have minus AB and positive AB cancelling out. That leaves us with A squared upon 2 plus B squared plus B squared is 2B squared upon 2, and we can cancel out the 2's here. So now let's take this unshaded area, right, and let's subtract it from the total area. So that's A squared plus B squared minus A squared upon 2 plus B squared, right, and that makes it A squared minus A squared upon 2 is simply A squared upon 2, and B squared minus B squared would simply cancel out and leave nothing, and so A squared upon 2 is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Hope it made things clear.